Christmas is around the corner and I'm sure you're looking out for recipes to entertain your guests. And so I've come up with a simple roasted chicken drumstick in a Maharashtrian style. So first, I'm going to dry roast the onions. So here I'm using 3 sliced onions and I'm going to roast them till they are slightly brown and dehydrated. I'm not using any oil while I'm roasting these onions. We're going to add it later. As you can see, the onions are quite dehydrated and have turned brown. Now frying them will be easier. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil to this and fry them till they are slightly crisp. The onions are slightly crisp. We're going to add 1 cup of grated dry coconut. You can use desiccated coconut as well here. And we're going to roast this till the coconut is also golden brown. The dry coconut and the onions have browned well. Let's shut the flame. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Let's wait for this to cool down before we add any other spices. The mixture has cooled down. Let's add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of Kala Masala. The recipe for this is given in the description. And now I'm just going to mix this and grind this to a fine paste using very little water. Now to this, I'm going to add a cup of yogurt, salt to taste, juice of half a lemon, so here I have 7 chicken drumsticks. I'm just going to give slight insertions so that the masala goes deep inside. Let's marinate the meat with this masala and allow it to rest for at least an hour or so. After you've left the chicken to rest for an hour, heat a grill pan, a tawa, whatever is convenient. Pour about 1/4 cup of oil on this. And now we're going to just place the chicken drumsticks. Now let's cook this for 7 to 10 minutes on one side on a medium to low flame. Now after 10 minutes, let's flip the drumsticks and cook it on the other side for another 7 to 10 minutes. The chicken is ready. Let's plate it now. The chicken drumsticks are ready to be served. I'm serving them with some sauteed veggies. Do try this recipe for your friends this Christmas and let me know. Keep watching Get Curried and wish you a happy Christmas.